Okay, so let me start right off by saying that I'm making this video because, as you know, every time I get to a big number, I'm supposed to make a video. That's just what I'm supposed to do, right? Okay, so I have 140 videos ready on the net. As you know, I already do have 140 videos, and every time I get to the big number, I'm supposed to do that. So I'm doing this, okay? But there's already 140 videos, so this is gonna be replacing that one. Whatever, you know, I'm just telling you that I'm doing this video so I can tell you that, because I'm supposed to do this video every time I get to a big number. So there you go. I have 140 videos already, and I'm happy about it. And after this video, it's going to be a cool video that I want you guys to see. And cause I already made it and all, but I have to, you know, let you know, and you know, I have to put it up on there already. So so this is already done, but I'm supposed to do this one before. I'm supposed to post this big number, whatever thing, before that one. So I'm gonna post this one on tomorrow, or today, or whatever. And then and so you guys can know, and then see the big one. Cause this was more like a, you know, drivey looking one, whatever, you know. And then tomorrow, and then, you know, after this one, I'm gonna post the big one that I have. It's really amazing. I hope you guys can see it and comment it and subscribe to it or whatever. So yeah, and then also I'll go to my Twitter, to my YouTube, and to my MySpace pages. And well, you know, I just hope you guys like the video you're gonna see tomorrow, and or after this one, and I hope you guys like it, and you know, so I'm just saying. Okay, so that's all I'm saying. Okay, so big numbers and it's everything and whatever. So celebrate big, because we're getting to the big one right there. We're getting to the big one right there. We're getting big. We're getting big by doing videos like this. So and just remember that you guys rock, just for being yourselves, and for seeing my videos, and for subscribing, and for following me on Twitter, and for everything you guys do to try to help me out. Okay, so you guys rock and keep rocking and whatever. Okay, pues bye.